Before we got the cameras, the water run was done every 2 days, and we'd drive around mostly in a ute. Takes about an hour and a half if everything was okay. I can do it now in under 5 minutes. We started off with one to make sure it worked first. I finished up with, I think it was about 9 or 10, and we just kept putting them up at the main watering points, turkeys' nests, the main tanks. Then we realised with the cameras we could put them up on a pole and get not only the tank but also get the trough. Some places we actually got 2 troughs with the same camera, and you can also see the stock. You can see cattle drinking, you can see calves, you can see what condition the stock's in. So yeah, it just works so successfully that we finished up with 17 now. Save on fuel, save on wear and tear. The main thing is peace of mind that you've got, we can get 2 clear photos a day of all the watering points. It's actually like going out, driving around twice a day to check things, which you never do. So it's just a brilliant concept. And we've worked through Damien the whole time. He's been great. Any new cameras, he's been on the phone, and we've, to set them up is not difficult. We've done it over the phone. And Damien, him and the company have been brilliant. And I'd thoroughly recommend that anyone, if you need a camera, that go and see them because they've done a great job.